Hello dear student, I am Shubedar Rajbhar with an important topic, direct and indirect speech, which is known as also narration. So today we will see what is direct and indirect. First of all, look at the definition. What is definition of direct speech? So we may report the words of speaker in two ways. First one direct, second one in indirect. So what is direct speech? When we quote the actual words of a speaker, this is called direct speech. When we quote the actual words of speaker, this is called डायरेक्ट स्पीच. कहने का मतलब है जब हम वक्ता की कही हुई बातों को उसी रूप में प्रस्तुत करते हैं तो उसे डायरेक्ट स्पीच कहा जाता है. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जांपल. सो हियर ही सेड आई एम अनवेल. He said, I am unwell. So this one is indirect speech, where direct speech always comes in inverted comma. Now look at the second stanza. Second one, he says, I am glad to be here this evening. So this part is also in direct speech because this is the actual words spoken by the speaker. There is no changement in this section. So this is known as direct speech. Second one is indirect speech. When we report what the speaker said without quoting his exact words in our own words, this is called as indirect speech. कहने का मतलब है जब वक्ता की कही हुई बातों को हम अपने अनुसार व्यक्त करते हैं तो उसे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कहा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he said that he was unwell. First of all, we have seen he said I am unwell. So the indirect of this sentence is he said that he was unwell. I am glad to be here this evening. This is direct speech. Now in this indirect speech, this will be term he says that he is glad to be here this evening. So this is the direct and indirect difference between both one. डायरेक्ट में हम वक्ता की कही हुई बातों को उसी रूप में व्यक्त करते हैं, मूल रूप में व्यक्त करते हैं जो इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में होता है, और इनडायरेक्ट में हम अपने अनुसार जो है वक्ता की बातों को व्यक्त करते हैं. सो देयर आर सम मेन पॉइंट ऑफ पार्ट्स ऑफ डायरेक्ट स्पीच. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू मस्ट हैव नॉलेज अबाउट द पार्ट्स ऑफ डायरेक्ट स्पीच. So here there are two sections. First one reporting verb and second one reported speech. So this first section before inverted comma is known as reporting verb, and second part which is in inverted comma is known as reported speech. But here both the sections are also divided into sections. So there is he subject and says main reporting verb and object. In the same way, in reported speech there will be subject, verb, object, etc. So these are the main parts you have to always keep in mind while converting direct to indirect. Now look ahead. So before converting direct into indirect speech, you have to keep in mind some formulas, how to change pronouns, how to change tenses. Now look at how to change pronouns of reporting verb. First of all, if there is first person pronouns I, we, our, hours. If these are the pronouns of first person present in reported speech, they will be changed. They will be changed according to subject of the reporting verb. If there are first person pronoun I, we, our, ours, they will be changed according to subject of the reporting verb. Second rule, if there is second person pronoun you, yours, etc of reported speech will be changed according to object of reporting verb. करा कि अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में सेकेंड पर्सन का प्रोनाउन यू, योर्स, इटीसी होते हैं तो वह रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट के अनुसार बदल जाते हैं। यहाँ पे दो बातें ध्यान रखनी है, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब और रिपोर्टेड स्पीच। जैसा कि मैंने आपको बता दिया है, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब फर्स्ट पार्ट होता है और रिपोर्टेड स्पीच सेकेंड पार्ट होता है। So there are some other rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. So these are the rules applicable only for assertive sentences, not for interrogative, imperative or other sentences, only for assertive. So what is the first rule? Let us see. First of all, we will make changement in reporting verb. If object is present in reporting verb, then says, say and said will be changed into tells, tell and told. कह रहा है कि अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में ऑब्जेक्ट मौजूद हो, ये ऑब्जेक्ट मौजूद हो, तो जो ये वर्ब होती है, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब मेन होती है, इट विल बी चेंज इनटू टेल्स, टेल and told. This is the rule. Here you can see clearly, he says to me, I am very glad to meet you. So what will be there in indirect speech? He, here is says and object is also present, that's why says will be changed into tells, and to remove inverted comma you have to put here conjunction that. Second, to remove the inverted comma, conjunction that will be used. इन्वर्टेड कॉमा हटाने के लिए दैट का प्रयोग किया जाता है, बट इन स्पोकन इंग्लिश देयर विल बी नो यूज ऑफ दैट. ऑल द फॉरेनर्स डोंट यूज दैट कंजक्शन while speaking. Next points, pronouns of reported speech will be changed as per mentioned way. First person according to subject, second person according to object, and third person no changement. So here once again, if there is first person, then it will be changed according to subject, second person will be changed according to object, and third person no changement. For example, he tells me that he is very glad to meet me. So here there is third person. So now look at this example. So here he says to me, I am very glad. So here there is first person, so it will be changed according to subject. What will be here? He tells me that he is very glad to meet you. यहाँ पे ही जो है, यहाँ पे ही हो जाएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो सब्जेक्ट है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन का है, तो यह सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार बदल जाएगा. So NV is also given. Some important points of NV. If there is verb of present tense and future tense used in reporting verb, then no change will be in tenses of the reporting verb. So here, if there is present tense and future tense present in reporting verb, if there is present tense and future tense present in reporting verb, then no changement will be done in this section. So here he tells me that he is very glad to meet me. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि अगर इसका जो टेंस होता है रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब का प्रेजेंट में होता है, वो जो वर्ब होती है फ्यूचर में हो, प्रेजेंट में हो, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में हो, तो इसके रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के टेंस में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होता है, जहाँ कि आप इस सेंटेंस के माध्यम से देख सकते हैं जो कि क्लियरली विजिबल है। यहाँ पे कोई परिवर्तन नहीं हुआ। ही टेल्स मी दैट ही इज़ वेरी ग्लैड टू मी। इज़ लगा है, यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस है, यहाँ भी कोई परिवर्तन नहीं हुआ क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट टेंस मौजूद है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन पास्ट टेंस said, the tenses of the reported speech will be changed into corresponding tenses. This is important point. Here, if there is said means if reporting verb is in past tense, then all the tenses of the reported speech will be changed into corresponding tenses. करा कि अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जो मेन होती है उस वह पास्ट टेंस में हो, वह सेड में हो, तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के सारे टेंसेस जो है करेस्पॉन्डिंग टेंसेस में परिवर्तित हो जाते हैं। एंड नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज वर्ड एक्सप्रेसिंग नियरनेस इन टाइम आर प्लेस आर जनरली चेंज इनटू वर्ड्स एक्सप्रेसिंग डिस्टेंस। और कहा जा रहा है कि जो अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में होती है तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में अगर यह शब्द दिए होते हैं जो नज़दीकियाँ दिखाते हैं तो सब परिवर्तित हो जाते हैं दूरी दिखाने वाले वर्ड्स में। जैसे नाउ विल बी चेंज इनटू देन, हियर विल बी चेंज इनटू देयर, एगो विल बी चेंज इनटू बिफोर, दस विल बी शो, टुडे विल बी चेंज इनटू दैट डे, टुमारो विल बी चेंज इनटू द नेक्स्ट डे, yesterday will be changed into the day before, and last night will be changed into the night before. Only in the condition when the verb of reporting verb is in past tense, then all the nearness expressing words will be changed into distance expressing words like this. For example, you can see here by example, he said that he was glad to be there that evening. So here there is example given. He said, I am glad to be here this evening. This is in direct speech. So what will be here? He said. So here reporting verb is in past tense, that's why there will be changement in tenses and conjunction both. So what will be indirect? He said that here there is first person, so it will be changed according to subject. So he will be changed into he. He said that he. There is past tense, so its verb will be also changed into past tense. I am will be changed into was. Present continuous will be changed into past continuous. So he said that he was glad to be. Here will be changed into there. That evening, this evening will be changed into that evening. So these are the formula you have to always keep in mind. And B, nota bene, the changes do not occur if the speech is reported during the same period or the same place. करा कि ये जो कंजक्शंस होते हैं जो समय को दिखाते हैं, प्लेस को दिखाते हैं, ये परिवर्तित नहीं होते हैं। अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच उसी समय के दौरान होती है जिस समय वक्ता बोल रहा है तो इस पर परिवर्तन नहीं होता। कहने का मतलब है अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट में हो, फ्यूचर में हो, तो जो कंजक्शंस होते हैं जो नियरनेस दिखाते हैं उन्हें परिवर्तित नहीं किया जाता है। Now look at how to change tenses of the reported speech. So here there are two sections given. direct speech, indirect speech. If there is simple present tense, it will be changed into simple past in indirect. Present continuous, past continuous, present perfect into past perfect, present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous, simple past into past perfect, past continuous into past perfect continuous, and will and shall will be changed into would and should. These are the formulas of changing tenses. For example, by looking at this chart, you can understood how to change tenses from direct speech to indirect speech. Here there is he is present continuous, so it will be changed into past continuous. He was, he can, he could, he may, he might, he is making, he was making, he makes simple present, simple past, he made, he had made, simple past will be changed into past perfect. He was playing, he had been playing. Past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. He has found, he had found. He will write, he would write. He will have finished, he would have finished. He would help, he would have helped. He was injured, he had been injured. So these are the formulas of changing tenses while converting direct into indirect speech. These are the golden rules you have to always keep in mind while changing direct into indirect. So let us see what is next. Some workout has been given. Let us see how to change. So first sentence, he said, I am playing cricket. So here there is no object given. That's why no change will be done into main verb. So what will be? He said, to remove conjunction that will be used. There is first person I, so it will be changed according to subject. So he will be here, and there is present continuous, so it will be changed into past continuous. So he was playing cricket. So in a very simple way you can change direct into indirect. Second sentence, Tom said to me, Jack has been reading this book since morning. So here object is given and reporting verb is in past tense, so this will be changed into told because subject object is given. That's why this said will be changed into told. Tom told me to remove inverted comma, that will be used. There is past tense, so this verb will be also changed into past. So Jack has been, there is present perfect continuous, so it will be changed into past perfect continuous. Jack had been reading the book since morning. So this is the correct indirect. Third example, Meera said she will sing a song. No object is given, that's why no changement will be done into said main verb. So Meera said that. Third person is here, no changement. She will be changed into would sing a song. Sing a song. Sing a song. Fourth example, Ram said, I may go to a film tomorrow. So here the verb is in past tense. Object is not present. That's why no changement in reporting verb. Ram said, to remove inverted comma, that conjunction will be used, that. There is first person pronoun, so it will be changed according to subject. Ram is boy, that's why there will be used he pronoun. May will be changed into might because there is past tense. He might go to a film tomorrow will be changed into next day. So these are the examples where we can make changement, but exception is also there. In 5 cases we don't make any changement. There are some 5 cases where we don't make changement in tenses of the reported speech. So what are these? First one, universal truth. Being universal truth in reported speech, no changement in tenses will be done. For example, teacher said earth is round in shape. So this is universal truth. अर्थ इज राउंड इन शेप, पृथ्वी आकार में गोल है, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है। इसमें ऐसे सेंटेंसेस के रिपोर्टेड स्पीच की जो टेंस होते हैं उसमें कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होता है। जैसे यहाँ पे हो जाएगा टीचर सेड दैट अर्थ इज राउंड इन शेप, यू हैव टू कॉपी सेम सेंटेंस इन इनडायरेक्ट वन। सेकेंड पॉइंट, इफ देयर इज प्रोवर्ब, नो चेंजमेंट ऑफ टेंसेस विल बी डन। प्रोवर्ब जो कहावतें होती हैं वहाँ पे भी परिवर्तन नहीं होता है। माई मदर सेड टू मी बार्किंग डॉग सेल्डम बाइट्स, दिस इज प्रोवर्ब, दैट्स वाई नो चेंजमेंट, ओनली यू हैव टू मेक चेंजमेंट इन रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब। देयर इज ऑब्जेक्ट गिवन, दैट्स वाई सैड विल बी चेंज इन टू टोल्ड, मदर टोल्ड मी दैट, to remove inverted comma that conjunction will be used, and same to same sentence you have to copy. Third point, habit. If there is habitual sentence given in direct one, no changement will be there. For example, he said I wake up early in the morning, this is a habit, सुबह जल्दी उठना हैबिट है उसकी, तो यहाँ पे परिवर्तन नहीं होगा। he said that he wake up early in the morning, this will be sentence. And fourth one, where we don't make any changement in tenses, historical fact. ऐतिहासिक जो तथ्य होते हैं उनमें भी परिवर्तन नहीं होता है टेंसेस में। जैसे टीचर सेड टू द स्टूडेंट्स इंडिया गॉट इट्स फ्रीडम इन 1947, देयर इज ऑब्जेक्ट गिवन, दैट्स व्हाई सेड विल बी चेंज इनटू टोल्ड, टीचर टोल्ड द स्टूडेंट दैट इंडिया गॉट फ्रीडम इट्स फ्रीडम इन 1947. I hope you are getting all the meanings which I have taught. If you get any problems, please write down in comment box so that I can solve your problems. So here there are some exercise given. So dear student, I hope that you will complete, and after completing it you will respond it. These are the 10 exercise given. You have to do all these one as per the rules I have taught today. If you are getting any problems, then you can write down into comment box so that I can remove your doubts, I can clear your doubts. Thank you very much for watching this video.